Hello students, today we will learn chapter 13, Geometry. Before we start the chapter, I want you all to get ready with your geometry box, pencil and your copy so that you can understand and solve along with me. Okay students, before we begin the lesson, there are some important terms that you need to understand, okay, relating to lines and angles. The first is point. What is a point? A point, it is denoted as a dot. You can see here, it has a position but no length, okay. Next is straight line. We all know what is a straight line. See, here I have drawn a straight line. It has no end points because see the arrow here, the arrow indicates that it does not have any end points and no fixed length, okay. So point A and B is a straight line. Now it is denoted, or the symbol of straight line is given like this. Can you see? Next is line segment. What is line segment? A line segment starts and ends at fixed endpoints. It has a fixed length, okay. So in line segment, it starts at one point and it ends at another point. So since it starts at one point and ends at one point, it has a fixed length. So PQ is the line segment. Next, ray. What is ray? A ray starts at a fixed point. Here, it starts at a fixed point and goes on and on. This arrow indicates that the line goes on and on. It has one end point and no fixed length, okay. It does not has any fixed length. So here is it starts from this point and it goes on and on, okay. So XY is a ray. Next is plane. What is a plane? A plane is a smooth flat surface that extends endlessly in all directions. We will take an example of your book. Your book is flat, okay. So it extends in all directions, okay. Now the next point you need to understand is intersecting lines. Now what are intersecting lines? You can see here I have drawn two lines. Now when these two lines, they cross each other at one point, these lines are called intersecting lines, okay. So the line PQ and NM is intersecting lines, and the point at which these two lines intersect is known as intersecting point, okay. So the point at which these lines intersect, they are known as intersecting point. Next is parallel lines. What are parallel lines? Here you can see I have drawn two lines here, line AB and CD. Now they are traveling in same direction and they are always at equal distance. So the lines which are that never meet, they will never intersect each other, okay. These lines will never intersect each other, but they will travel in the same direction at equal distance. So these lines AB is parallel to CD. This means parallel. So the line AB is parallel to CD. Understood, children? Now let us understand what is angles. You have learned in class 4 also, but we will learn again. Now an angle, it is made by two rays. As you can see here, this is the point. It starts at one point and it is made by two rays, okay. And this point at which the line starts is known as the vertex, okay. And the rays which extends from the point is known as the arms, okay. And the angles which is made by the rays, this is the angle. Clear? So an angle is made by two rays that starts at one point. Next is the types of angle. There are different types of angles. Number one is complete angle. When we say complete angle, you can see here it is a whole rotation, okay. So this angle is equal to 360 degree. So complete angle is equal to 360 degree. Next is straight line. Now in this line you can see 180 degree. Now the angle is equal to 180 degree, straight line. Next is right angle. When we say right angle, the angle which is formed is equal to 90 degree. Clear? Next is acute angle. Acute angle means the angles which are less than 90 degree. Here I have written 60 degree, so it can be any angle which are less than 90. It can be 30, it can be 45, it can be 50. Okay, those angles which are less than 90 degree, they are known as acute angle. Next is obtuse angle. The last one, obtuse angle. Now this angle, the angles which are more than 90 degree. So here I have drawn 135 degree. So it can be any angle which are greater than 90. It can be 110, it can be 125, 150. Okay, but it should be less than 180 degree. So these angles are known as obtuse angle. Clear? Okay students, now let us solve exercise 13.1. Question 1, look at the figures and fill in the blanks. Now you see here it starts, this line starts at one point and it goes on and on. Okay, it does not has fixed length. So AB is what? AB is a ray. Now here the second line, it starts at one point and ends at one point, so it has a fixed length. So ML is a line segment. Next, RS. See here, it does not has any end point. The line goes on and on. This arrow indicates that the line can go on and on. So it does not have fixed length. So RS is a, anyone? It is a straight line. Now here you have to count how many number of line segments are there in this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the rest, E and F, you do it by yourself. Okay, now students, question number 2. Draw a line segment of length. So now you will take and draw these lines with the help of your scale. Take out your scale. And now the first line which we are supposed to draw is 3 centimeter. Now take your scale, put, mark at 0, 1 point, mark at 0, okay, then you mark at 3 centimeters, 0, 1, 2, 3, okay. So this is 0 and this is a 3 point. So this is 3 centimeter. Here in the board it is a little small. In your copy it will be okay. Now so this line AB is 3 centimeter. Okay. Next is 6.2 centimeter. In the same way, place your scale, mark at 0 point in your scale, then 6.2. This is 6, then you count 1, 2. So this is 6.2. Put a point there. Now after you put a point, you join these 2 points. Okay, so this is 6.2 centimeter. So this line C and D is 6.2 centimeter. So now you will be able to draw a line segment with the help of your scale. Next is write the name acute obtuse of the angle. Now here angles are given, so you have to write what type of angles are they. Now 30 degree. 30 degree is lesser than 90 degree. So it is an acute angle. Next 80 degree. 80 degree is also lesser than 90 degree. We know that the angles which are lesser than 90 degree, they are acute angle. Next 180 degree. 180 degree is a straight line, straight angle. 110. Now 110 is greater than 90 degrees. So the angle which are greater than 90 degree, what is the name of the angle? Obtuse angle. 45 is also less than 90 degree. It is acute angle. So the rest of the angles you solve by yourself. Now we will make angles with the help of your protractor. Take out your protractor. Now place your protractor. Now you will see in your protractor the 0 point, it starts from right hand side and the other one starts from the left hand side. So I'm going to take from the right hand side, okay, the lower one. You can see here 0. So from this 0 we will make a line till 90 degree. Okay, this 90 degree, can you see this straight line? We will make a point here exactly at 90 degree. So from here we will see 80 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So this is 80. Can you see? Now you join this line from this point to this point. Okay. So this is 80 degree. So the angle is 80 degree. Now next we will solve 120 degree. In the same way, place your protractor from 0 to 90 at the straight point. You put a point here, 120. Now you see here 0, 10, you see 120 is here. Can you see? Now you join this point and this point. So this angle is 120 degree. You can give a name, ABC again. Clear? Now let us understand what is a circle. Now a circle is a simple closed curve. Okay, it is consisting of all points that are at fixed distance from a fixed point. Now in the circle there is a fixed point at the center. Okay, so this point O is the center of the circle. Now there are some terms that you need to understand related to circle. Some circumference. First is circumference. It is the distance of the circle. Okay, so circumference means it is the distance around the circle. Clear? Now diameter. What is diameter? Now diameter is the distance from one point of the circle through the center to the other point of the circle. Clear? So let us name this as MN. Okay, so MN is the diameter. Clear? Then radius. What is radius? Now radius is the point from M to the center. So we can say as MO is the radius. Now chord. Now chord is say from any point to another point in the circle. Okay, from this point, say this is P. So the line from this point to this point, NP, is a chord. Now what is an arc? Arc is the semicircular. See, you can see here, this is a arc. Okay, this area, it is known as it is a portion of the circle. Okay, so this portion is known as the arc. Okay students, now let us solve exercise 13.2. With the help of compass, construct a circle. Now you take your compass and a scale. First we will take 3 centimeter. So you put a mark at 0.3 and make a line here. Okay, so this is 3 centimeter. Now from 0 point you measure here. Clear? 3. Now after you measure, don't move it anymore. Now you make a circle. Okay, so this is 3 centimeter radius circle. Clear? Now let us make a radius of 4.5 from 0 point. Put a mark and we will draw up to 4.5. Can you see? 4.5. Now you measure with your compass 4.5. Okay, after you measure, don't change the position anymore and make a circle. So this is your 4.5 centimeter radius circle. Now let us solve question number 3. We have to find the radius of a circle whose diameter. Diameter is given here 3.8 centimeters. So we have to find radius of circle. Radius of circle is half into diameter. So half into diameter is 3.8. Now I will convert this decimal number into fraction. Since there is only one decimal number, so it will be divided by 10. Clear? So you cut this. 2 9 is 18, 1, 2 19 is 38. What is remaining? 19 by 10. So 19 by 10 can be written as 1.9 centimeter. So the radius of this diameter is 1.9 centimeter. Clear? Next question number B, 12 centimeter. In the same way, the diameter is 12 centimeter. Now we have to find the radius of circle. Half into diameter. So half, the diameter is 12. 2 6 is 12. So 6 centimeter. Clear? Okay students, now let us understand what is a triangle. You all know what is a triangle. Now a triangle is a closed figure. It is formed by 3 non-collinear points. Okay, so in triangle it has 3 vertices. Okay, 3 vertices, 3 sides. These are the sides, and angle. This is the angle. So it has 3 angles. And the most important property in a triangle is that the sum of the angles is always equal to 180 degrees. Suppose this is A, B, C. Okay, so the angle A plus B plus C will always be equal to 180 degree. Okay, so whatever may be the angle here, the total should always be equal to 180 degree. Next, types of triangles on the basis of angles. Number 1 is acute angle triangle. Now the triangle where all the angles are lesser than 90 degree. You can see here I have drawn a triangle. Now here all the angles, this is 40, this is 60, this is 80. So all the angles are less than 90 degree. That's why this type of triangle is known as acute angled triangle. Next, obtuse angle triangle. Now in obtuse angle triangle, one of the angle is more than 90 degree. So only one will be more than 90 degree. You can see here 110, then here 40, here 30 degree. So in obtuse angle, one of the angle is more than 90 degree. Next is right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, one of the angle is equal to 90 degree. So if you see a triangle where one of the angle is 90 degree, then you will know it is a right angle triangle. Clear, students? Now we will see the types of triangles on the basis of sides. First is equilateral triangle. Now equilateral triangle, in equilateral triangle all the sides are equal. So this shows that all the sides are equal, all the three sides are equal. So since all the three sides are equal, all the angles are also equal. So the angles in each sides are 60, 60, 60. Clear? Next is isosceles triangle. So when two sides of a triangle are equal and the lines which is unequal, it is known as the base. Okay, and the angle made in the base, you can see here, the angle made in the base are equal, 50, 50. Clear? So this type of triangle, they are known as isosceles triangle. Next is scalene triangle. Now in scalene triangle, all the sides are unequal and all the angles made by the triangle is unequal. You can see here 70, 80, 30. Clear? Now let us solve question 3. By seeing the sides and the angles, we will name whether they are equilateral, scalene or isosceles. Now you see here all the sides are equal. So if all the sides are equal, that means they are equilateral triangle. So you just have to name the triangle. Now you see here two sides are equal and the base is different. So it is isosceles or scalene? It is isosceles triangle. Okay. Next, here all the sides are different. So when all the sides are different, it is scalene triangle. Here all the angles are different. So it is also a scalene triangle. These two you solve by yourself. Now we'll solve question number 4. So by seeing the triangle, you have to write whether it is acute, obtuse or right angle triangle. Now in the first triangle, you will see that one of the angle is more than 90 degree. So it is acute or obtuse. It is obtuse angle triangle. Next, see here, one of the angle is equal to 90 degrees. So it is right angled triangle. And the third one also, one of the angle is more than 90 degrees. So it is also obtuse angled triangle. Okay students, I believe you have understood the lesson today. Try to do by yourself at home. Exercise from exercise 13.1, exercise 13.2 and exercise 13.3. Thank you everyone.